How's it going? It's been a little slow here in the warehouse. We haven't been doing too much work, to be honest, but today we are doing a little bit here and there. We got Jack's 40 getting some vitamin D, the garage queen, it's been hidden. We're not really doing too much today or this weekend, but we do have the mini truck in the warehouse, and that's because it's getting an oil change. I'm in the middle of the process right now. And Jack's on his third or fourth iteration on the exhaust for the 80. He tries to fix it, and I think it's like the fifth. He says second, but there's probably about 4 videos on this already of him trying to fix the exhaust leak.
Oh, maybe 2. Yeah, it might be the third.
And he does have a bunch of excess piping from a previous job. I think from the 60. He bought like a whole rebuild kit, and all he needed was like a small section. So I mean, I guess he knew it was going to come in handy sooner or later. But yeah, he's basically redoing the entire exhaust on the 80, hoping to seal all the leaks. I think we did a video on the massive OEM exhaust that it had on it. It was huge, and it had a bunch of leaks on it, and that's the exhaust he bought for it to replace it. It's so tiny, so much smaller. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty small exhaust route coming from there, from the cats, and I think it's gonna come out hot rod style right here, right in front of the rear tire. And but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give an update on what we've been up to. To be honest, it's been really slow in the shop, and haven't really got much done. I guess we should update you on the 60, which is here, and it's the same as the last video. Nothing has been done on it. We've been Jack's been slacking, to be honest. I mean, I don't know what else to say, but he's just kind of being a slacker.
A whole bunch of stuff, you just can't see it, it's just underneath.
Well, look at the last video and look at this video, and let's see if there's been anything done underneath. Yeah,
vote in the comments.
But yeah, I just want to give a quick update. That's pretty much what we've been up to. But hopefully in the coming weeks we'll be getting a lot more work done. And I know I've been talking about the mini truck, doing some real maintenance on it, and by that I mean rebuilding the transfer case, and I've just been putting that off because it's just a lot of work, but I need to get to it. So hopefully we'll get to that soon. But that's just pretty much gonna be it for now. Just like I said, small little update on where we're at, what we've been up to in the warehouse. And so stay tuned, there should be a lot more videos coming soon. So check y'all later.